Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Idle Empire, right? And you're wondering, can you really earn free skins, games, gift cards, and cryptocurrencies just from this free website? Let's check it out, right? This is a GPT style website and we're going to review all about it. Are there better ways to make money online? Is this a legit way? How much are you really going to make? Let's check it all out, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below and I'll share that strategy with you, my favorite way to get to 5 to 10K a month, straight to your email if you want to check that out, all right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Everything from GPT-style websites to watching video ads to filling out surveys to all sorts of different business models like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, Airbnb arbitrage, right? All sorts of different courses as well. Some of them are great, and you can potentially make tons of money from it. Some of them, though, are very difficult and you can make very, very small money. And some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at Idle Empire, this website right here, to find out whether this is really a good way to make money online or is this a big waste of time, all right? Now, Idle Empire is a 100% legitimate GPT style website. That means you get paid to do something. Most of the time it's surveys, it's offers, and it's watching video ads, and I'll share that with you over here and how much you can really make from it and how this actually works, okay? So the cool thing about Idle Empire is they've been around for a while. It's global, so you can be based anywhere in the world, and all you have to do is come here to idle-empire.com and head to sign up, and you would just basically sign up for it, okay? You would do the tasks that you need to do, all right? And then once you do them, they will basically reward you and you can make money in a few different ways. We'll talk about that in a second, okay? So the first thing that I like about Idle Empire is that it's very clean, it's very simple, right? There aren't tons of ads popping up everywhere. You know, some GPT style websites are very messy, okay? These guys, it's very simple. It's very clean. You earn points. You can see right here, you can earn them through surveys, through offer walls, through offers, through videos, and you can refer people as well. And sometimes they have promotions, all right? So very, very simple, okay? So let's kind of go through them one by one so that you can understand how much you're really gonna make. With surveys right here, basically all you do is when you click on it, you're gonna get access to all the biggest survey vendors in the world, okay? So there are some big survey vendors like CPX Research, like InBrain, like BitLabs. These are all the very popular ones. And what will happen is you will sign up with them specifically. You will have to take pre-qualification questionnaires, and based on your demographic, where you're based in the world, your interests and stuff like that, you will get access to different surveys, all right? Now, you're not going to qualify for every single survey because it really depends on your background, your interests, your demographic, all that stuff. But if you do qualify for the survey, you can fill it out, and the surveys will range anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer, 40, 45 minutes, and then you will get paid points according to how valuable those surveys are. All right. Now, you don't earn that much per survey, by the way. Pretty standard stuff. You know, Idle Empire, you know, pays pretty average stuff. It's usually about 10 cents per survey, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes 50 cents, sometimes 30 cents, around that range, okay? So that's surveys, and you can sit there and you can fill out quite a lot of surveys if you want, but understand that it does take a long time, okay? The next thing you can do is offer walls. Now, offer walls, they've got very big vendors, again, third-party websites like, you know, AdGem, like OfferToro, like Ascend Media. These are very, very big paid offer walls, right? Where basically what you would do is you would choose an offer. It could be a gaming offer, it could be a gym offer, it could be a retail offer, and you have to do something in order for them to reward you with the points. All right, so the way it usually works is, the gaming example is the easiest one to give. So maybe they ask you to download a free game. It could be like Fruit Ninja, okay? Or it could be, you know, some other game, and they would say, in order for you to get the points, you have to get to level 50 in the game and do this, this, and this. And when you do that, we're gonna give you 1,000 points, 1,000 coins, okay? We'll talk about how much those coins are worth in a second, but it's not that simple, because some of these offers require you to reach a certain level or milestone in that game, or it requires you to spend money first before they give you back some coins. All right, so some of the paid offers might be like, you know, if you want to do this gym thing, put down your credit card details and spend $10 with us, and we'll give you $5 back, or we'll give you $10 back, or $15 back, that kind of thing, right? So sometimes it requires you to spend money to make money. Other times, it requires you to jump through a lot of hoops and do a lot of work before you can actually get those points. And if it's the gaming ones, it might take you a week or never before you can actually reach that stage. But that's one of the ways that you can make money, okay? Another way is to watch videos. So they use a website, a very popular one called Hideout TV. And Hideout TV literally will pay you for every video that you watch because they're going to show you ads, okay? Now the way that it works is most of the videos are a few minutes long, and every video has a ton of ads that you have to watch, and they will pay you usually about 1/10 of a cent per video that you watch. So think about that, right? That means that you have to watch roughly 10 videos before you make 1 cent equivalent. Okay, now some of the videos are 1 minute long, some of them are 5 minutes long. So you do the math on that. You might have to watch half an hour of videos in order for you to get 1 cent equivalent. All right, so it is a lot of work. It is free though, and it is free, and it is free money, but you have to understand that it does take quite a lot of time, okay? Now you can also refer your friends and family, and the good news is that Idle Empire is 100% legit. So if you do refer your friends and family and you make a little bit of money from that, not that much, but a little bit, okay? Idle Empire will pay you a little bit of coins for referring friends and family. At least you know that you are referring them to a legitimate website, okay? Now the big question is how do you withdraw your money, and how much can you really earn? Okay, now the nice thing about Idle Empire is that there are many ways to withdraw your money. Okay, so you can withdraw it in cash through Payout. You can withdraw it in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. You can get lots of gift cards like Steam, like Amazon. You can see right here, Skin Baron. Obviously, crypto is Litecoin, Ethereum, right? Even PlayStation gift cards. Again, PaySafe is cash. Perfect Money is cash. Lots of different ways. iTunes gift cards, ShadowPay gift cards, Google Play gift cards. Very, very good. Okay, and then you can see that the minimum amounts are basically what you see here. Okay, now let me explain to you what the minimums are and what the conversion rate is, okay? So inside of Idle Empire, 1,000 coins is equal to 10 cents. Okay, so this right here is a minimum withdrawal of 10 cents, which is really low. A lot of other GPT websites, the minimum is usually $1 to $5 to $10. Here it's only 10 cents, which is amazing, okay? So that means you can withdraw 20 cents of Bitcoin. This one's a little bit more. Right, this one requires $2. Okay, it's not that bad. $2 is still very, very low. This is $4.20, right? Still very, very low right there. All right. Now the big question is how much can you make? Okay. Now the easiest way to see how much you can make from a GPT site is to look at the leaderboard. All right. Now this is a weekly leaderboard. It's not a daily leaderboard. It's a weekly leaderboard. So you can see that this is people all over the world, right? And you can see that the first person, Jared, right here, has earned 412,000 coins. Okay, now how much is that worth? That is worth $4. All right, so today is the start of the week. There's still 5 days left, and Jared has earned $4 so far. That's roughly about $2 per day. Okay, so Jared has earned about $2 per day. You can see Paris Ambush has earned 170,000, which is $1.70. So doing about $1 a day, Paris, right? And Stuart is doing 106,000, so he's only earned $1. So he's earning about 50 cents a day so far, right? But you have to understand, and of course on top of that, they'll reward you with the extra prizes. So this is an extra $3, this is an extra $1, this is an extra $2 right here, okay? Now, this is the top 3 in the world. All right, so don't expect to earn anywhere close to that because these people are putting in a lot of time. They're putting in like hours and hours and hours every single day into this website. So now you know that it's possible if you hustle like 5-10 hours a day, that you can make roughly about $1 a day on this website. Maybe a bit less, only 50 cents a day. Okay. Now the more realistic thing is to look at what other people are doing. Okay, this is the top 20 people, right? So let's look at the range here, okay? So this is George Tamisi. George Tamisi has earned 78,000. That's only 78 cents, and he's done that in 2 days. So he's averaging about 40 cents a day. All right. This is a 4th ranked person in the world. All right. Let's look further down. Andy DX, top 20, has earned 26,000 points. He's only earned 26 cents, and this is a top 20 player on this particular website, and he's earned that in 2 days. So that means on average he's making about 10 cents a day. So you do the math. All right, is this worth it? I don't know, only you can decide, right? Obviously the top person is earning about $2 a day, but the worst person is only earning 10 cents a day. Yeah? So is it free? Yes. Is it legit? Yes. Can you make money from anywhere in the world? Yes. Is this going to make you rich? Absolutely not. And is this worth your time? Only you can decide. So what I would say is that Idle Empire is your traditional GPT style website. It doesn't pay that much. It doesn't pay that little for GPT style websites. It pays somewhere in the middle. But on the internet as an opportunity, is it a high paying opportunity? Absolutely not. All right. GPT websites on average will pay you on average 50 cents to $1 a day. That's pretty normal stuff, but you really have to hustle. You have to put in hours and hours and hours of work. Can you make money easier online? Absolutely, right? If you have 2 or 3 hours a day and you're spending it on a GPT style website, if you were to learn a high income skill set elsewhere, you can make hundreds of dollars in a couple of hours, rather than here you're earning like literally 10 cents, maybe 50 cents an hour, depending on how much effort you're putting in. Okay, so it does take a lot of effort. It's legit, it's free, it's global, which is cool, right? So you can check it out if you want, idle-empire.com. But are there easier ways to make money online? Absolutely. All right, so if you're here watching this video right now and you're like, well, Aaron, I'm interested in making big money online. I understand that it's possible, I just don't know how. Maybe you're looking for a high income skill set that you can leverage so that you can make hundreds of dollars a day instead of like 10 cents here, 20 cents there a day. And if you would like that strategy, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. And I think that this is the best for beginners. You can learn how to do this from anywhere in the world, even if you've never made a cent online. Still, for me, the best way to get to 5 to 10K monthly every single month. Okay. If you want to check that out, I'll send that strategy to your email. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this review of Idle Empire, and I will see you on another product review. Take care.